What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So as you guys know, I have a Lexus and it's already lowered and it has camber arms on it, but to be honest, I don't know how to adjust the camber arms, so I need to learn how to do that so I can adjust them. Let me think. What was I saying? I just woke up, just was eating coochie, was interrupted. No, but okay. So I got a diffuser because I was looking on Google one day, like parts for Lexuses, because okay. One day I was looking for parts on the Lexus, like I've never owned one, so like I didn't really know what to do to it or what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to slam it and put some camber. And then I came across Nia body kits and there was a diffuser I freaking wanted, and I was like obsessed with it. I wanted it so bad. So I got it and I'm going to be installing it today, and like, it looks like it's pretty common sense how to install it, but there is wires, so I need to figure out where I'm going to connect those to. But if I don't connect it, I'm not tripping if the light lights up, to be honest. So I'm going to see what to do. But I'm going to show you guys like a before and obviously an after of it. The Lexus got hecka dirty from the last time I cleaned it. I don't think you saw that video yet because my life is fucking insane as usual. Literally every week or every month it's something new. So I don't know when you'll see this video too. But yeah, it got hecka dirty even though I just cleaned it. Well, it's because I went to Universal Studios. And if you guys, anyone's thinking about going to like horror nights, I really recommend it because it was hella cool. It was so fun. So here's like a before. It already has like the diffuser on it, but the diffuser I'm gonna put on looks hecka cute. I really think it's just like the F added, and like the diffuser, like the bottom is a little like longer, but let me show you guys it. So here's a new diffuser, and then it comes with these wires, but I swear to God I really don't know where they go. I think there's instructions somewhere, so I'm gonna look, and I better install this the right way because my window visors, one of them have been flying off. Every time I get a fucking new one, it flies off. So hopefully this doesn't fly off because I'm not buying a new one. So to be honest, you guys are on my iPhone because I don't have my GoPro because I left it in Juju's Corvette. So I don't have the GoPro or my phone stand, so you're gonna be on this trash video. But now I'm doing the diffuser, and this whole time I thought I needed a stupid ass drill, and I didn't need one because it's literally all clips. So I already popped out one of the clips. I'm gonna pop out the other three, even though the first one, I'm not gonna lie, took me a minute because it would not freaking come out. But so far all I used was a flathead and pliers to wiggle out the first one. But this is the diffuser. Hecka cute. And then it comes with the wiring, which is a video I'm gonna watch because I really don't know how to do it, to be honest. And then 3M across here, and then you have your 4 holes you gotta do, and then 2 screws on the side. And I don't have the box. And the reason I don't have the box is because we're being stalked right now and probably gonna get robbed. So I opened this hecka long ago and I've been keeping it in the car since. Because the fuck, I don't want you stealing that because I want that part. Anyways. So I don't have that, but I did keep everything else it came with because it was just with it. But it came with like your install, all the paperwork you need to install it, like directions. And this is how you do the wire, connecting the wires so the light lights up. So I'm gonna use this because I don't know how to do it, and I'm not gonna lie about that because I don't know how to do it. Just like I'm being honest that I'm probably gonna get robbed soon. And then another install video list. Thank God they have that because my fat ass does not know how to install the tail lights. And then they gave me some gloves, a card. I don't know, why isn't it doing that? Oh, there you go. And then a sticker, you want a sticker. It needs focus. And then of course when you take off your clips, you obviously like messed them up, honestly. So they send you new ones with it, and then 2 screws, because I'm pretty sure I have to take off the other screws, and then gloves if you want to use those, but I'm not using those, to be honest. Okay, so I have all the dumb clips off. I'm not gonna lie, it's days later, but like, I mean, I like pretty much finished. And then on the Lexus, I freaking lost one of the visors on the freeway, so I actually put it back on. So the car actually looks hecka better, like with the visor on, because like I don't like it. And I also have camber arms on there, but I don't know how to adjust that, but I'm gonna learn. Okay guys, so this video has been long overdue, and I haven't finished it, but I did finish putting the diffuser on. The diffuser actually makes the car look 1,000 times better. Like, this car is so freaking cute. I've never been so obsessed with a car, I'm not gonna lie. It's just so cute. But this diffuser pretty much topped in. I'm like obsessed with the car now, especially with the diffuser on. I'm not gonna lie, like the light is, it's supposed to light up, but to be honest, I couldn't like, I don't know, I couldn't get the hang of it, so I'm gonna have someone connect the light fully for me when it comes to that. But other than that, like, it really does like freaking hella cute, and I really just wanted it for like the F, and the F being like red. But we're trying to find a cute lighting in the area real quick so I can finish my video and finish my reel, because sister be lagging on her videos. But I'm about to finish them, and then I'm gonna hopefully right now throw them at least my sides extensions, like the side splitters, and hopefully the front lip. I know, but it's okay. Hopefully I can do that today, because I've been holding off on it, but I want to get it on and get it done, because I don't know, I've been lacking on this car. But yeah, and then like I said earlier, somewhere in the video, I want to camber the back, but I just have the camber arms already on. They just have to be adjusted. So I'm gonna do that, and I need an alignment because my tires literally keep popping because I need a freaking alignment. So hopefully I can get an alignment soon. But yeah, yeah. Oh my god, I'm not posting that. Man. Oh, the lighting over here is better. Okay, let's see. Like, you can see the friggin' diffuser, if you can kind of see. I'm gonna take videos on my phone. So I'm gonna get videos on my phone. The GoPro, the front camera is actually messed up, I'm not gonna lie. So let me try and record like the other way. It might be crisp. I scratched on my lens and I plan on getting a new camera, but I'm gonna just record. To be honest, I'm just gonna record on my phone and I'll just throw the clips in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys think the Lexus is cute. I kind of like the wheels, the stock wheels on it, but obviously I want to get aftermarket wheels. I want Vishnu's for it, to be honest, but I can't find freaking any wheels, and I need to do a stud conversion still too. So like, if anybody did a stud conversion on their Lexus, this is a 2022, so I know 21 to 20, the 21 to 23 has different bolts for the wheels, right? Yeah, I need freaking conversion kit, but I ordered the wrong one and wasted $100, to be honest. So if anyone knows which one, comment down below, please. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.